Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing your Firestick and the playback app. First, make sure the device is updated. This avoids compatibility problems with subtitle features. Next, sign into the streaming app you plan to use, Prime, Netflix, or a sideloaded player, and install a flexible player like VLC or MX Player from the store. Once done, you'll have both native and external subtitle options available, which lets you choose subtitle files or built-in captioning during playback without delays or crashes. You now load and enable subtitles. For built-in streaming captions, start the video and open the playback controls. Select the CC or subtitle icon to choose language and style. For local subtitle files, copy SRT or ask to a USB or a network share and make sure Firestick can access that location. If using VLC, start playback, tap the screen, choose subtitles, then add or track and pick your file. Make sure file names match the video or manually load so timing aligns. Finish by adjusting presentation and troubleshooting. Use your player's subtitle settings to change font size, color, and sync delay so text matches audio. VLC has subtitle delay and encoding controls. Switch to UTF-8 if characters look wrong. If subtitles don't appear, check the file name matches the video or manually load the file. Also confirm the file extension is SRT or AS. If problems persist, restart the app or Firestick and clear the app cache from settings to resolve lingering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.